front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work, because here you can tap on Passwords and Accounts. And by tapping Open under Google, access your manager right away. Click on it here. And to add any password, tap on Add Password option. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make it visible, you need at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in into any app that requires an account, and then hit Save in the pop-up to save it in your manager. After that, you will see your first password here, and you will be able to hit Add a Password to add any other one manually. Let's do it now. At the top, you can type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!